What's up, everybody? At 84 here, Wicked Explorers. We're here at Fraser Field in Lynn, Massachusetts, home of many teams. But right now, we're seeing the North Shore Navigators play the Newport Gulls. The team, the Newport Gulls, which Adam and I on my other channel does the weekly podcast for. So,
my good pal, all of them.
Stadium was built in 1940. Several leagues to play. We're watching a college collegiate league right here, but back in the day, the Pittsburgh Pirates and the Seattle Mariners farm league actually played in the stadium here for many years. Pretty cool. Look at that. It's a bat and a ball. Pretty cool.
Many collegiate facilities throughout the country. That includes Florida, North Carolina, Texas, and many more. From designs to fabrication to installation, necbl and brewing programs, one facility at a time. Ladies and gentlemen, this afternoon is sponsored by Old Neighborhood Foods.
Look, they're going to be swarming. They're going to be circling third base for the rest of the inning.
There's one standing out there. He's just going to play the game.
Look, he's coming in right now for the kill.
Left fielder.
Take right at this opening over there.
This one?
Yeah, right there, yep.
Oh, yeah.